The escalating tensions in the Indian Ocean region present alarming challenges for global stability. China's growing influence and aggressive expansion through strategic partnerships with island nations threatens traditional power dynamics. The potential for armed conflict, particularly around the Taiwan Strait, looms ominously. Environmental concerns regarding unregulated seabed mining add another layer of worry. The U.S.-China trade war's impact on global supply chains and economic stability creates uncertainty for businesses and nations alike. Without proper international cooperation and governance frameworks, the region risks descending into chaos, affecting global trade, security, and environmental preservation.